Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We are looking at SuperMicro computer, ticker symbol SMCI. I'm going to do a full analysis on this stock. It's actually hit, in my opinion, a nice buying opportunity, a nice level of support. Anything I say during this video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm just looking at it during for a charting perspective. So looking at the stock, you can see it accumulated, it ran up, it did really well earlier this year, and then since it's sold off. But this accumulation draws my attention because there's a lot of support around this level. $24.52. This was the support. It was range bound before it popped off to the moon. Really, it went all the way from $31 to $120 in a few weeks, and it's come all the way back down. However, the good news is you are actually back at potentially a nice level of re-entry. If you missed it last time, this might be a nice area to get back in. The RSI is oversold, suggesting that buyers might come back in. The MACD is red, but it's trying to gain some more momentum and turn green. You're back at this level, $22. You're in a buy zone right now, in my opinion. This is a level you should be really looking at, especially if you missed it last time. Look at the fundamentals, make your own decision. But right now, this looks like it's in its first level of support. There are lower targets. The targets are much lower. If there's bad news coming about around this company, there are lower targets. This can go to $17 in a recession. In a terrible situation, this stock can keep going. It can go to $9. However, right now, in the current circumstances, this is your first buy level. This does look like a nice area to get back in. This is where you accumulated last time round before you went all the way up. $17, there is a gap fill. It might suddenly crash down to $17. I would have a limit order set up there as well. But this is an area where this stock can accumulate again, and maybe something similar can occur. The areas where I would take profits, the first level would be around $46, just because there's a gap fill over there, and then you can take the next level of support around $63. Those will be my targets. Level of resistance, $46, $63. My levels of support, my buy zones, is where you are currently right now, $17. And then, of course, there's lower targets in terms of recession around $9, $10. But I think $22 and $17 are nice areas to buy as well. If you like this stock, hit the like button. If you like the content, hit the like button. If you want me to cover the stock more, if you want me to do a more in-depth analysis of the stock, hit the like button. Let me know in the comment section down below. Join me every Sunday where I do these videos. Join Martyn during the week. He's live every opening and closing bell. Let him know you like the stock and we can cover it more for you guys. This was SuperMicro Computers, looking at a nice level of buying at the moment. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.